Welcome to day number 5 of the detox. Today I'm going to be talking about starches. Woohoo! You can have some starches on this program, and it's suggested anywhere between a half a cup to a cup. I like to break up my starches if I'm eating more than one meal a day. So I know this sounds ridiculous, but like if I make a big thing of quinoa, I will do a quarter cup in a salad and then a quarter cup with dinner at nighttime. So maybe I'll have a piece of fish, a couple different vegetables, and then that quarter cup of quinoa, just to feel like I'm eating something with a little bit more sustenance and bulk. The 3 different grains that are the best to have on this program are wild rice, quinoa, and buckwheat. The reason why is because wild rice, quinoa, and buckwheat are actually grasses, not grains, and they're better on your body. They're going to create less inflammation, less digestive issues, and you're just going to feel overall better on those. Some of my favorite recipes to do with buckwheat are buckwheat waffles or buckwheat groats. So groats are kind of like an oatmeal dish that you could have in the morning for breakfast. And the waffles, same thing, but I also like to use the waffles as bread. So if I'm really just dying for a sandwich, I will use my waffles, put them in the toaster, and use them as bread slices as well. And it feels like you're cheating, but you're really not. So I'm going to put information down below in the comments regarding wild rice, quinoa, buckwheat, and a couple different recipes that I like that are really easy. You can make a big batch and freeze things like the waffles in your freezer, put them in your toaster, and warm them up later on. Give some of these recipes a try, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 6.